Hey everybody, it's Keto Girl Wendy, and I'm in the kitchen. We live in New York, and I am making buffalo chicken burgers tonight. I'm super excited about it, and you don't need a lot of things to make it. So I have a pound of ground chicken. I have the Frank's hot sauce. I have some salted butter, salt and pepper. So that's what's gonna go into the burger. Let me put these to the side. I'm gonna make a really nice mayo blue cheese type dressing to put on it. So what I need to make that is some sour cream. I get the full fat because we need extra fat, right? I get the avocado oil mayo. I'm excited to have that in there. I have blue cheese crumbles that I picked up at the store, and a dash of white vinegar is gonna go into those. And I'm also gonna make some chaffle buns to go with it. So in the past, we've been having our burgers just with fork and knife or with a lettuce wrap, but now that I got this handy dandy little dash chaffle iron, so if you can see, it looks just like an iron. So it cost me about $10 with a coupon. And what I need to make 2 buns is I'm going to use 2 eggs. I'll use 4 tablespoons of almond flour. If you guys have cleaned out your pantry by now, you should have some almond flour. We're gonna use some paprika, just a dash of that, a dash of garlic powder, and a dash of onion powder, and a half a teaspoon of baking powder. And I always use like a coconut oil. Each time I'm gonna make one bun, I spray this so they don't stick. So let's get started in the kitchen. Okay, it's really simple. I'm just gonna take the pound that I have of the ground chicken. I'm just gonna add some salt and pepper to it and just flavor it as you want. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of my melted butter in there, a tablespoon of, I just use the Frank's hot sauce. So a tablespoon of that. See if I can get it to come out. I'm gonna mix them. I'm gonna make these into, it's supposed to be 2 burgers, so let's see how it goes. It's really, really mushy. They're gonna be nice, big burgers. And then I'm gonna make like a mayo blue cheese dressing to put on these. I got some lettuce and tomato to add to our nice chaffles. So this is gonna be delicious. Because I used about a pound of the chicken, these are nice big burgers. Let's take a look. And I'll just cook these in the skillet for about 4 minutes on each side. All right, I'm ready to build this burger. It's going to be huge. Okay, so I just roasted our chaffle buns. I'm just gonna put some of the Frank's hot sauce and butter on each side. It's gonna be so good. I'm gonna put a burger on it. They're nice and big. This mayo blue cheese, so we're gonna put some of this on here. And if you want to, you could even put some celery with it. I'm not a big celery fan, so I'm just gonna add some lettuce and tomato. This is the first time that we're having a burger with a bun in like 20 months. I'm not a big hamburger fan. Anthony is, so I usually will have something different, but I do like chicken burgers, so let's take a look, see how it's gonna come out. You can put some more salt and pepper on it if you like. Holy cow, guys, look at this. It's like a monster burger. I don't even know how I'm gonna eat it, but I'm gonna take a bite and I'm gonna let you all know what I think. Let's take a bite. This is a must do. It tastes so much like the buffalo wings with the blue cheese dressing. I am in love with these chaffles. So you guys, you have to make this. We've got the extra fat in it. It is going to fill you up and it's gonna keep you full so much longer than if you put a bun to this burger. I hope you enjoy it.